That is the way we have been taught. That is the way we have been, a situation has been created, a conflict of interest has been created between the rest of India and Assam. But how the thing has changed now? Assam only produce probably 3 million metric ton of crude. This is not enough in comparison to the refining capacities of our refinery. Numaligarh refinery has proposed before us, sir, we want to expand it to 9 million metric ton. Then we said, we have crude. Crude is available. No, sir, there is no crude available. Then how you will do? We have to brought it from Paradip. Because Paradip is a port, crude will come from abroad and we'll take it from Paradip to Numaligarh. Then I asked the Numaligarh people, I have heard that Assam's crude has been exploited, it is being taken away. So how you can brought it now to Assam? They said, no, we'll put a pipeline. And from Paradip through pipeline crude will come to Numaligarh. And Numaligarh it will be refined and it will be sent back Assam, Bangladesh, all entire regional territory, Bengal, Orissa, everywhere it will go out from Assam. I said, is it what you are talking? Is it possible? They said, no, sir, it is possible. Dharmendra ji had said that it is okay. It is possible. And today, that possibility is now no longer a possibility. Work is going on in full swing. And we are going to have not less than 10 million metric ton of oil from Paradip port through a pipeline. It will be refined in Numaligarh, demolishing all arguments of our previous generation that crude oils are being taken by Government of India for exploitation. We produce 3 million metric ton and 10 million metric ton will come to Assam from the outside. Earlier we have been accused that there is a line in Barauni. Crude goes to Barauni. Barauni refinery are being run by the crude of Assam. Today, rather Barauni, the same crude line which we have set up probably in 1970, 1980 for taking 1 million metric ton of crude, the same pipeline are being used because of Sri Dharmendra Pradhan to pump crude oil to Bongaigaon and refine it back and sell it in the market. So today Bongaigaon refinery is being survived with the same crude pipeline which we were being taught that this is a symbol of India's exploitation.